All right, thank you for joining me here today. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about a dynamic rubric. I used to use Rubric and Doctopus in order to put rubrics together inside of stuff. And honestly, I didn't love it, which is fine. It's a good tool. I just decided to do something a little differently on my own. It seemed to me that inside of the Google Classroom, there was no reason I can't assign every student their own rubric and just have it be right there without me having to install it into its own file and all that stuff you have to do to get through in Doctopus. So I came up with this solution here, which works for me. So to get started, I'm going to figure that you guys already know how to enter numerals into here, which is not a big deal. That's pretty basic stuff. So assuming that you know how to do that, we're going to start formatting our cells in order to create a dynamic rubric. What we're going to end up with is going to look something like this. Right now, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to right click on this one and go down to data validation because I want to put a list in here, a list of items. I usually start with a asterisk and then a comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, comma, 10, all the way through. That will then give me the list in the cell, and I can look at it like this, and there are my numbers. I then take this and grab it and drop it down, and those two are the same way. We now have our totals in here, okay? And this is where we'll put the way we are going to be grading and whatever. But that's not what I'm worried about right now. Right now, we want to total them all up. So we go to right here and we click in this box and we put equals sum of it. And then after you put that first parentheses in there, you can click on here, hold down the shift and go to there, F2 to F4 and close it up. And the total right now is 0. The percentage is also just as easy. Equals F5 divided by 30 is the total possible points. And we want to change it over to percent. 0.00% is what we have right now. So we can click on this stuff and it will add it up for us. Now, the next level is having stuff in here. So in order to make things a little faster for the video, I have that already into this next one. All right, so we still have the same thing here. Everything is added up to 0, except for now when we put stuff in this first one, like if we put a 10 in, it turns green. If we turn a 9, it turns there, 8, there, and anything 7 or below is going to be down here in the red. So we go back to here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. How do you do that is using conditional formatting. The conditional formatting for these three is very simple. You right-click on it, go down to conditional formatting here, and the custom formula equals F2 equals 10. All right, so now this one is not conditionally formatted right now. So if I click on it and go down to its conditional formatting, I did already conditionally format it. Sorry. So I actually already conditionally formatted these three. I did not conditionally format this one, so we'll show you how to do that one. Go right here, click conditional formatting. We want to change that to this color. We've decided, and it's not that cell is not empty. It is a custom formula, and if you want to look at it, the custom formula is fairly simple. It is equals, and that's F3. F3 equals 9. Done. Because this one, good, is 9, and this one, we click 9, and then that one changes. Right now, we don't have 8 done, so it won't work. We can go here. Now, the hard one is this one. You'll see the custom formula is equals or F2. All right, so it's a bit longer. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right here. We'll click right here and go to conditional formatting. Sorry, done. Click right here, and we're already in conditional formatting, so we can hit add a new rule. All right, now, once again, we want it to be red, so we click that red, and you can do your standard text color and strike throughs and underlines and italics and bolds. But we go down here, again, go to custom formula. Now, the custom formula here is a little more difficult. It's equals, or, and then parentheses, And we're on F3 now. F3 equals 0, comma, F3 equals 1, comma, F3 equals 2, comma, F3 equals 3, comma, F3 equals 4, comma, F3 equals 5, comma, F3 equals 6, comma, F3 equals 7, end parentheses, enter, and we should be good. I usually go ahead and hit done there to close this thing out, and we have, hopefully, one that turns red. And when we're on 8, I wish we didn't do 8 yet, 9 and 10. And you can see that it calculates down here. They got 28, 93.3%. So we go over here, and what you end up being able to do by the end of it is have something that looks like this, which you can give to your students. I'm going to show you how to do one more thing here. So we've given them all their grades, and they got an 80%, a 40 out of 50. You would like to put comments on it. So these aren't real conducive. These little squares aren't real conducive to comments. So we can take, grab this one and pull it out to something like that. Use Shift to do it all, and then merge the cells. And then you have one big cell, and you can type comment. And then I can type whatever in here. All right, so that's where you put your comments at, and that is a quick rundown on the, I use these for my inquiry stuff, inquiry-based learning rubric, but these are dynamic rubrics. So the kids get them, and they're colorful, and it kind of shows them where they're at. It's also helpful to see what you have done when you get in the Google Classroom. You can see them well. They're easy to see. So that is a quick rundown on this. I hope you learned. If you have any questions, send me an email.